So Apple just dropped the iPhone SE4 at $599 and the internet is well completely divided. On one side, we have people excited that Apple finally brought a new iPhone at a relatively affordable price. But on the other side, we have frustrated users saying, wait, this is just another recycled design from years ago, where is the innovation? So guys, which side are you on? Team finally a budget iPhone or team come on Apple do better? Let me know in the comments. On the flip side, Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy A56 5G and we have got our hands on some live images of the device. Unlike the S series, the A56 showcased some stylistic changes including a new, or should we say classic, camera island design. I find this refreshing. It offers a fresh look and a new feel in hand, a nice departure from what Apple did with the iPhone 16e. The Galaxy A56 has already started appearing in important certification, hinting at an imminent launch. Unlike the iPhone 16e, Samsung has upgraded some specs and we will also get to experience One UI 7 on this upper mid-range phone. It's interesting to see how both companies are approaching their mid-tier offerings. Apple seems to be playing it safe with the iPhone 16e, sticking to a tried and used design which has left some fans underwhelmed. In contrast, Samsung appears to be injecting some fresh aesthetic into the Galaxy A56, potentially appealing to users looking for something new without breaking the bank. So now let's talk about the processor. Samsung is packing this phone with the new Exynos 1580 and here is where things get interesting. Leak says that it performs just like the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. Now that's a bold claim. Both chips are built on 4nm technology, but check this out, Geekbench 6 cores shows that the Exynos 1580 is beating the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 in multi-core performance. That's a huge win for Samsung because let's be honest, Exynos chips haven't always had the best reputation. Now coming to the battery life, the Galaxy A56 is sticking with the 5000 mAh battery just like the A55. Now don't get me wrong, 5000 mAh is solid, but come on Samsung, why not push for 5500 mAh? A little extra juice would have been nice. But here is where things get really exciting, charging speed. The A56 is jumping to super fast 45 watt charging. That's a massive upgrade from the A55's 25 watt charging. And here is the wild part, the Galaxy S25, a flagship phone, also charges at 25 watt. So yeah, the A56 might charge faster than a flagship, let that sink in for a second. So what do you guys think of this new Galaxy A56 5G? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.